I'm afraid this is where I stay. Hopefully it's a temperature. I've been here 10 years watching. I think by the time I move on. I've got a wonderful son that looks after me. He keeps me in a small room. It's basically always bored. But as you see, yeah, this is very. This is going into from home. It's actually going into the kitchen area. As you see, yeah, this is where I stay. My little beautiful cat, and basically this is what I call home. Yeah, so at the end of the day, what can you do when you're not well to do? If you have a look, you will see as well that I don't have much of a view from mine, but see that. Yeah, what can we say? Where I stay. So, like I say,